Hey, how's it going, everybody? So, in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and do another unboxing of basically this GoPro head strap plus Quickclip. So, this is basically the front of the box. This is basically right hand side, nothing really there. We have the left side compatible with all Hero cameras. And we have the back of the box, so it includes the head strap, the quick clip, and a thumb screw. So nonetheless, let's go ahead and get this open. Alright, let's see what we got. Shouldn't be too much in here. Alright, so we have the thumb screw right here. So the quick clip, so this looks like you can actually use it with a hat. So you can just basically clip this, not sure, oh, actually it just slips in. So I thought it was gonna have some sort of clip here, but it just slips in right there. There we go, and of course, basically the mount for the GoPro. All right, so that's that. And here we have the head strap itself. So I'm not thinking anything special here. It's just gonna be a regular head strap. And yes, there it is. So here is the front of the head strap, and of course basically the back of it. Really, I mean, you know, fairly simple. So the reason I actually bought this is because I want to go ahead and get some more different angles on you know, let's just say when I'm doing things, just everyday things, or I'm actually vlogging, I can go right ahead and just basically mount this either to the top of my head so I can get a first-person perspective on what is actually happening. So nonetheless, that is the unboxing for this GoPro head strap plus quick clip. And like always, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll go ahead and catch you on the next one. The main reason why I actually bought this is actually get kind of like a first person